Good morning, guys. Good afternoon. I already had my coffee. I'm all good now. Okay. So the reason that I'm saying that is because It's what time is it? It's early morning here in Melbourne, Australia, and I arrived here yesterday. Pretty much. I'm just here for the night because I have been working in the data center, so I got like all my fiber cables, and I have my computer's charging back there, and decided that since this is my last day in Australia, might as well make a video and just say hi to you guys. And um, in this video, I'm going to tell you like three things, or let's just say 3.5 things why I blog and vlog. Okay, so reason number one, the reason number one that I blog and vlog is, for me, this is like it's like an online journal, like this one. So whenever I have like an idea, or you know what's the purpose of a journal? The purpose of a journal is it's a way for us to keep track of the things we have been doing, or any ideas that goes into our mind, sort of like a diary. And it's amazing whenever I get to see like all my videos, like back when I started, like that video named my CCIE journey, or those CCNA videos like in Filipino. It's amazing whenever I get to watch them and just remind me of like how I started. Pretty much, it just gives me, I am really in gratitude whenever I get to. It's a good reminder, as far as how I started, where I started, and where I'm heading. So that's reason number one why I keep a blog. Well, that's for the vlog. Now for the blog. Oh, by the way, so this is the vlog, and the blog is, if you're new to the channel, my blog site is running-config.net. I used to have it as .com, but I wasn't disciplined enough back then, so somebody took it away from me. Such a shame. But anyway, so let's go to tip number two. So tip number two, why I blog and vlog, is you will notice that currently I'm doing my CCIE routing and switching exam. So who knows, if I do pass my lab exam this year, who knows what I will be blogging and vlogging next year. But it's just a way for me to, I always believe that if you learn, if you another way for you to really test out if you've learned something is if you can actually teach it. So that's actually one of the reason why I create like how-tos in some of my videos, and also like instructional blogs on my website. Is My philosophy is, if you learn it, you should be able to teach it, so you can eventually say that you have the mastery of the topic. And it's also a way for me to get feedback from you guys. So if you like it, if you hate it, if you despise it, if you're like up in arms, or if I made a comment and you wanna take out your pitchforks and tell them that's so wrong. So it's a way for me to, to gauge like what kind of content I should put out there. And you know reason number three is, it's it the first two, reason number one and reason number two. I think reason this is really the main reason. If I make sense, sorry, it's early in the morning, I haven't had sleep. I got into the data center like around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Didn't get out until like 4 a.m. or 4:30. So I got here like, I don't know. I don't even know what the time it is. All I know it's morning. So, you know, I just went to bed. I couldn't sleep because that's just my thing. Whenever I'm staying in a new place, I just couldn't settle in immediately, especially if I'm traveling all by myself. All right. So tip number no, not why am I keep on saying tip? Reason number three really is it's a way for me to give back to the community. Um, so many people in YouTube and in the blogging community and in my life that has contributed to where I am right now. People that has inspired me, who has given feedback, who have coached me, who've taught me so much. I feel like I should give this, pay it forward. So this is pretty much my way of paying it forward to you guys. If somebody inspires me or somebody motivated me to do something like doing videos or doing blogs, so this is a way for me to paying it forward to you guys. So pretty much that's it. Actually, there's a point five. There's a point five. If I'm gonna be, we're friends here, right? So a point five for me, a point five reason would be I believe in personal branding. So I've learned this technique from other network engineers, especially those who are really known in the podcast and the blogging community. So if you create like an online, so this blog and vlog will become a part of your resume, right? So it I have, I predict that the resumes, all these PDFs, resumes, digital, it will probably all change in the future for, like artists. So it's not enough that you give them your resume. You should like put in your art, your work. So for me, my point five reasons that I'm putting this out is for personal branding. Um, so a way for me to show other people that I know how to do this and and I got this documented, and you can do the same thing for yourself. Um, Personal branding. But anyway, I'm gonna keep this short because I am going to attempt again to take a nap, or maybe not because my flight is this afternoon, actually noontime. Anyway, I hope that has been helpful to you guys, and try to get to watch some of my other videos. If you like my video, please leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe if you find all of my content useful. And if you think that somebody needs inspiration or some instruction on like CCNA stuff, CCMP, if you know somebody or yourself is going through like the CCIE journey just like I am, let's work this out together. Let's inspire each other. Let's create a better world for network engineers. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. I'm going home now, heading back to Brisbane. So remember guys, keep on studying because it's all worth it. Thank you and have a great day, guys. Bye.